this is really bad. Oh, this is bad. What the hell? Is there some sort of magic that works on him? How about the skull? No? How about this whirlwind? Oh god. Oh, that's pretty good. Oh, that's quite good, actually. Hopefully I've got like 1,000 of these. It's a good time to use them. Takes like 1,000,000 of them just to max my mana again. There's still another one. Oh god. Do like no damage to these. I don't like this. Is that all of them? Did I get them all? I hope that was all of them. So honestly, that was horrible. Okay. I'm gonna pick up these rocks. Just the pebbles. Because I want to mark where those pits are upstairs because I keep falling in. Look how much damage that did to it. Of course. Yeah, you move over. Oh. Come on. Let's try this. Ooh, that did like nothing. Oh, it's almost dead. Yoink. There we go. I'm actually going to... What's at the end of this hallway? Nothing. I hear more beaming. Phew. Great to be out of there. Well, that opened up a shortcut. Can we mark? Can we mark where these are? Yes. Pit. 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 There we go. It's pretty useful. Let's use one of these. Full mana. Bam. We've got plenty more of those. Very nice. What the hell? I didn't even walk into that. Well, at least I got this. Let's heal. Lame. Do I have... I know I have a spell that can get me over pits. No. No. That's not it. Wait, that was it. Dark Cloud of Shadows. The spell provides some defense and can prevent death from falling into pits. So it won't prevent me from actually falling in. So I'm gonna have to mark that other pit. And now it's gonna pop up. There it is. Pit. Now let's try to get through this. Oh, I am so sorry. At least I landed somewhere else. Get it to move over. No, move over. Oh, it's a quick thing. There we go. That works. Works for me. How do I get out of here? Okay, it looks like that started the boulder going. Well, that was interesting. Oh, I've gone right past it. This is going to be a whole video of me just falling into holes. And I really, really apologize for that. What the hell? Oh, I see. Yeah. Yeah. Make sure that other pit isn't there.